I just love this new technology. Like, I'm literally recording myself using my phone as a remote, so I never have to move again filming a video. So as you guys can probably tell in my voice, and I lack to look like a decent human being, I am very sick. Ignore it, ignore it. Anyways, so despite the fact that I look like this and sound like a boy, I'm gonna show you some sick hacks that I found online and also things that I do every time I'm sick. Right now I have strep throat, so I have just a really sore throat. The first couple things I'm gonna show you have to do with food. Here are a couple recipes that always work for me, and these are mostly for having a sore throat. So let's get into it. Alright, so this first recipe is super easy and feels so good when you have a really sore throat. So all you're going to need is a can of soup, some mozzarella cheese, and some milk. So all you're going to do is heat up your can of soup on the stove and then add in some milk as much as you want. And then once that's heated, pour it in a bowl, and then you can top it with things like mozzarella cheese and basil. And this is super straightforward and really easy, but it's just really nice for when you're sick. So this tip I actually learned from one of my teachers a couple years ago, and a good thing to eat when you're sick and have a sore throat are marshmallows, and this works because the gelatin from the marshmallows coats your throat and makes it feel better. Another thing I love making when I'm sick is a chocolate milkshake. So here's my recipe that's super easy. All you need is milk, chocolate syrup, vanilla ice cream, Ready Whip or any whipped cream, and some malted milk powder. So you're going to start out with about a cup of vanilla ice cream, and then you're going to add 1/4 of a cup of malted milk powder to that, and 1/4 of a cup of chocolate syrup. And then along with all that, you're going to add another 1/4 a cup of milk, and then you're just going to blend that all together.
Keep it moving now, tell me what you're doing tonight. Cause sometimes we're up, sometimes we're down. Don't worry about anyone else, but once in a while I catch myself.
After you pour your milkshake in a glass, you can just top it with some whipped cream and chocolate syrup and enjoy. It feels so nice on your throat, having something cool, and tastes amazing.
Feel like I just wanna dance, I feel good.
When I'm sick, I swear by this tea. It is something that I've been making every time I'm sick, and it just makes your throat feel so much better. So all you're gonna need is 3 slices of a clove of garlic, or ginger. Do not put garlic in this. And then you just want to cut them into little like coin looking shapes so there's no skin on it. And then you're going to cut a couple slices of lemon, and all you need to do now is just put the ginger, you can do like 3 or 4 little slices, in the bottom of your tea glass, and then add some hot water, and then you're going to want to squeeze some lemon juice into this hot water, add some little lemon slices on top, and then stir in about a teaspoon or so of honey, and then you can enjoy this. It makes your throat feel so much better. If you have a sore throat, definitely try out this recipe.
Wrote in the music, truth is I'm always up, I'm always down, worry about everyone else, but once in a while I catch myself. Once in a while I ask myself, what am I doing? Once in a while.
Alright, now these last few things are just things that I think are good to do when you're sick. Well, here are some of my top Netflix recommendations, because if you don't have to go to school or work because you're sick, you might as well binge watch some Netflix, right? Like, you can't really do much. One of my favorite shows is Gossip Girl. This is a really easy show to get hooked on and binge watch. Then if you're into like murder and crime series, I really like The Following and How to Get Away with Murder. These are 2 of my favorite shows. Then The Returned is a new show on Netflix that I've been absolutely loving. It's really cool. And then my favorite movie on Netflix is called Dope. It's really good if you are in the mood to watch an inspirational movie. So those are my Netflix recommendations.
Found me out, need to slow down. I'm drowning out, so many thoughts, let me drown them out. Yeah, I thought I would know better. gas rich.
For me, taking a bath when I'm sick makes me feel so much better and relax a lot easier. So here are some things that you can add to your bath. The number one thing I like adding is this Epsom salt soaking solution. This one you can get at Target or a drugstore. You can add regular salt to your bath to relax your muscles, but anything lilac scented really helps, and that's why I like this lilac body gel from Lush, along with any bath bombs from Lush are super relaxing and smell really nice and make your bath super pretty. Adding lemon to your water helps detoxify and open your pores, so it's really good for your skin. And ginger to your bath is also really detoxifying and calming, which is really good for when you're sick. And the last tip I have for you is kind of straightforward, but the best thing you can do when you're sick is sleep.
There's no slowing down to go back. And thinking of where we've been, no one's ever been given a roadmap. Say slow down, turn here, graduate and work here. Come and get a raise when you finish up your first year now. If you're doing it right. Keep it moving now. Tell me what you're doing tonight.
So that is all the tips I have for you guys. I really hope this helped you guys out. If you want to see more hack videos, give this video a thumbs up. God, I'm literally dying. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next week, and I love you all. Bye.